We know that myocardial infarction is a risk factor for atrial fibrillation, but what about turning it the other way around? Is atrial fibrillation a risk factor for myocardial infarction? Now in JAMA, researchers report on the answer to that question, and it is an interesting one. They looked at more than 24,000 people in the United States and followed them for 7 years. They did not have coronary disease or myocardial infarction to begin with. What they found is that atrial fibrillation almost doubles the risk of having a myocardial infarction. And that's after they excluded all of the other risk factors for acute MI, diabetes, hypertension, all the other things, hypercholesterolemia that you might imagine might be involved. So atrial fibrillation indeed does seem to be a risk factor for myocardial infarction, and it is also more prevalent in women and in Black people. So here's the bottom line on this study. Atrial fibrillation is a risk factor for MI. It almost doubles the risk, and it is particularly prevalent in women and in Blacks. So this may become a public health issue looking forward. For CardioSource, I'm Peter Block.